In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Emp.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check our system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then simply open a browser. Search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the button corresponding to your system type. Click the folder icon. Then right click and then select open. Check this box. I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. So simply install this into your Windows 11. Once installed, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method is you also need to make sure that your Windows is updated. Click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for updates to download and install the latest updates for your Windows that comes with the necessary files that your machine needs. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.